हेलो दोस्तों, बिगनर्स पॉइंट में आपका स्वागत है और अभी हम कर रहे हैं करंट अफेयर्स। पीएम मोदी हाईलाइट्स इंडिया साइंटिफिक लीडरशिप एंड ग्लोबल कोलैबोरेशन एट इंटरनेशनल ओलंपियाड इनॉग्रेशन। Prime Minister Narendra Modi today emphasized that India is deeply committed to nurturing scientific curiosity and empowering young minds. In a video message to the inaugural ceremony of the 18th International Olympiad on Astronomy and Astrophysics, he said over 10 million students are learning STEM concepts through hands-on activities in Atal Tinkering Lab. Expressing his joy at connecting virtually with more than 300 shining stars from 64 countries, Mr. Modi said India believes in the power of collaboration and this Olympiad reflects that spirit. The Prime Minister urged young students and scholars to use imagination and compassion to solve future challenges and improve humanity. Modi affirmed that for India the sky is not the limit but just the beginning. He also highlighted that India is a leading country in terms of women's participation in STEM domains, supported by various initiatives. UIDAI signs agreement with Indian Statistical Institute to strengthen Aadhaar security and reliability. The Unique Identification Authority of India (UIDAI) has signed an agreement with the Indian Statistical Institute for joint research and development for further enhance the robustness, security and reliability of Aadhaar operations. The agreement, effective for a period of 5 years, will cover areas such as fraud and anomaly detection, development of biometric liveness detection tools, improvements in biometric matching algorithms, and other priority areas. Government tightens rules governing overseas citizens of India. The Ministry of Home Affairs (MHA) has tightened norms governing overseas citizens of India (OCI). The ministry said that OCI registration will be cancelled if an individual is sentenced to imprisonment for 2 years or more, or is charge sheeted for an offence punishable with imprisonment of 7 years or more. Akashvani correspondent reports the OCI cards offer multiple entry, multi-purpose, lifelong visas to persons of Indian origin and their spouses, along with certain economic and educational rights. The provision applies irrespective of whether the conviction occurred in India or abroad, provided the offence is recognized under Indian law. PM Modi says India is making rapid strides in semiconductor sector and building a robust ecosystem to power its digital future. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that India is making rapid strides in the semiconductor sector, building a robust ecosystem to power its digital future and drive global innovation. In a social media post, Mr. Modi said Union Cabinet's decision relating to approval of semiconductor units in Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and Punjab will boost manufacturing capacity, create high-skilled jobs and position India as a key player in the global supply chain. The Union Cabinet yesterday approved four new semiconductor manufacturing units in Odisha, Punjab, and Andhra Pradesh with an estimated cost of 4,594 crore rupees. India bans imports of jute products and ropes from Bangladesh through land routes with immediate effect. India has banned imports of certain jute products and ropes from Bangladesh through all land routes with immediate effect. A notification issued by the Directorate General of Foreign Trade (DGFT) stated that items such as jute fabrics, twine, ropes, and bags can now enter India only through the Nahav Seva seaport in Maharashtra. The move is aimed at quality control or protection of domestic industry. The banned products include bleached and unbleached woven fabrics of jute or of other textile bast fiber, twine, cordage, rope of jute, and sacks and bags of jute. Imports of these products from Bangladesh will not be allowed from any land port of India-Bangladesh border. Supreme Court cancels Olympic medalist wrestler Sushil Kumar's bail in murder case. The Supreme Court today cancelled the bail of two-time Olympic medalist Sushil Kumar. He is the prime accused in the murder of junior national wrestling champion Sagar Dhankar. A bench of Justice Sanjay Karol and Prashant Kumar Mishra set aside the order of the Delhi High Court granting bail to Kumar. The judge said that Kumar must surrender within 1 week. Nation gears up to celebrate 79th Independence Day. The nation is gearing up to celebrate the country's 79th Independence Day on 15 August with full enthusiasm and patriotic fervor. In the run up to Independence Day celebrations, people across the country are actively participating in her Ghar Tiranga campaign. Union Home Minister Amit Shah today hoisted the national flag at his residence as part of this campaign. Delhi Minister Ashish Sood and BJP MP Kamaljeet Shehrawat led the Tiranga Yatra in the southwest district of Delhi, in which more than 8,000 people participated. To ensure foolproof security of on Independence Day, Delhi Police has made elaborate security arrangements. Thousands of security personnel, including paramilitary forces and commands, have been deployed to ensure safety and maintain law and order. The public metro will commence its service at 4 a.m. on all its lines to facilitate the general public to attend the Independence Day ceremony. Supreme Court will look into issue of relocation of stray dogs in Delhi NCR CGI. Chief Justice of India B.R. Gawai today said the Supreme Court will look into the issue of relocation of stray dogs in Delhi NCR. The observation came from the apex court after a lawyer mentioned a play on the sterilization and vaccination of community dogs in Delhi and referred to a 2024 apex court order passed by Justice J.K. Maheshwari led bench that barred the killing of stray animals and emphasized compassion towards all living beings as an enshrined constitutional value. India Singapore Ministerial Roundtable held in New Delhi to strengthen strategic partnership. The third round of India Singapore Ministerial Roundtable was held in New Delhi today. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman led the roundtable along with External Affairs Minister Dr. A. Jaishankar, Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal, and Railways and Information and Broadcasting Minister Ashwani Vaishnaw. The delegation from Singapore was led by Singapore's Deputy Prime Minister and Minister for Trade and Industry Gan Kim Yong. President Draupadi Murmu to inaugurate summer annuals of Amrit Udyan tomorrow. President Draupadi Murmu will inaugurate the summer annuals of Amrit Udyan at Rashtrapati Bhavan tomorrow. It will be open to the public from Saturday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. It will continue till 14th September. The athletes and sportsperson will get special access to Amrit Udyan on 29th August to mark the National Sports Day and Teachers on 5th September on the occasion of the Teachers' Day. Network Planning Group reviews 7 key infrastructure projects under PM Gati Shakti initiative. The Network Planning Group has evaluated 7 infrastructure projects across railways, roads, logistics, and textiles in their 98th meeting today in New Delhi. The Ministry of Commerce and Industry, in a statement, said that this initiative comes under PM Gati Shakti, which aims to boost logistics efficiency, reduce travel times, and deliver socio-economic benefits. The Ministry of Railways has proposed a railway lines plan in Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Bihar, and Tamil Nadu. Gold and silver prices rise in New Indian bullion market amid positive momentum. In the Indian bullion market, 24-carat gold was trading 0.38% higher at 1,630 rupees per 10 grams, while silver was trading 1.65% up at 1,15,690 rupees per kilogram a short while ago. At the multi commodity exchange, gold for October contract was trading 0.26% higher at 1,419 rupees per 10 grams, while silver for September contract was trading 1.34% up at 1,15,258 rupees per kilogram when the reports last came in. CEA V. Ananta Nageswaram predicts short-lived impact of US tariffs on Indian exports. Chief Economic Advisor (CEA) V. Ananta Nageswaram today said the impact of recent US tariffs on Indian exports will be short-lived, easing within one of 2 quarters. Speaking in Mumbai, he noted that sectors such as gems and jewelry, shrimps, and textiles are facing the initial brunt, but the long-term impact on the economy will be limited. Urging patience, he stressed that the government is aware of the situation and has already begun conversation with impacted sectors. He added that the outcome of ongoing India-US trade dynamics may also be influenced by the upcoming meeting between US President Donald Trump and Russian President Vladimir Putin in Alaska later this month. Mr. Nageshwaram noted that overall, overall resources resource mobilization in the economy remains robust, citing strong bank credit growth, commercial paper issuance, and IPO fundraising। और इसी के साथ करंट अफेयर्स हो जाती है समाप्त।